Principal Ma'am, dearest teachers, parents, and my schoolmates, you all are welcome here. It is our great honor to have amongst us this evening Mr. Harbinder Singh. Sir is a renowned Indian hockey player with the Olympic gold, multiple medals, and coaching success, including Asian Games and international tournament victories. Throughout his sports career, Sir has scored over 150 goals with numerous hat tricks and secured 47 gold, 12 silver, and 4 bronze medals. Sir has been honored with the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri, Railway Minister Award in 1966, Best Sportsperson of Railway in 1972, Delhi Sports of Journalist Association Lifetime Achievement Award, and Hockey India Major Dhyan Chand Lifetime Award in 2019. Presently, he is associated with Hockey Indian as Chairman Masters Committee. At present, Sir is an advisor of Round Glass Hockey Academy, Punjab, to groom and nurture boys and girls at 10 various academies around Punjab and its villages. We welcome you, sir. And we also welcome Mr. Ravinder, senior and acclaimed hockey player, Dronacharya and Arjuna awardee. Sir has represented India in Olympics. We welcome you, sir, and other distinguished guests. I stand with pride and honor for this day, our school's 20th Founders Day. Today marks a significant role in the history of our school, as we pay it tribute to the visionary individuals who founded this institution with abound grace and humble thought. As the head girl, I'm proud to stand before you, serving this school along with our student body. I feel honored and privileged to serve this school, and I am committed to the upholding values and traditions of this school, which makes it unique. Together, we can achieve great things and foster a supportive environment for all students. I have personally witnessed how this school has provided me and my fellow students with not only quality education, but also with valuable life skills that have helped us grow into responsible and successful individuals. In the corridors of learning, we find shelter and guidance from our mentors and guides who strengthen us, mold us, and support us in becoming individuals with strong minds and solid value system. As we gather, adorned in gratitude, to honor the founders and their vision, let us embark on a journey of introspection in awe of this school's devotion and dedication. On this occasion, I would like to express my gratitude to each and every person at school who has played a major or minor role in shaping our lives and making this school a second home to us. We are fortunate to have such a dedicated and talented team of educators who have gone above and beyond to provide us with nurturing and supportive environment to learn and grow.
Today, we have gathered here to witness a remarkable amalgamation, where the students of our school clubs come together in a harmonious display of talent and flair. It is a momentous occasion for all of us as we celebrate the essence of art, expressions, and the indomitable spirit that lies within each and every one of us. You will shortly witness a kaleidoscope of performances that would reflect the artistic prowess and boundless imagination of our talented students. As we embark on this journey of celebration, let us embrace the magic of art and expression. May this celebration inspire and ignite a spark between every one of us, which would inspire us to find our own passions, and together let us extol and honor the power of education, creativity, and pursuit of excellence.
Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you. Let us rejoice in the collective expression of talent and creativity, and may the spirit of our founders guide us to this remarkable journey. Now, I would request our worthy principal to address the gathering.
It is a moment of immense happiness and deep appreciation that I express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Harbinder Singh, and all the distinguished guests who have honored us with their presence today. I am pleased to extend a very warm welcome to our director, the management team, parents, and my beloved students. Your presence makes this occasion truly special. I'm filled with deep warmth and honored to have you here with us. I extend a very hearty welcome to each and every one of you on our 20th Founders Day. Today's gathering shows our strong teamwork and dedication to a shared vision. The vision to raise children who are not only successful, but also kind and compassionate. We all believe in nurturing their overall development and instilling values that will stay with them for life. By coming together, we highlight the importance of nurturing not only the intellect, but also the heart. We aim to create an environment where learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about building emotional connection. As we reflect on the past 2 decades of our journey, it is not just a moment of glory, but also a pivotal time to chart our course for the future. Keeping the years gone by as a preface to a new chapter, I will urge you all to look ahead with me today. We are treading into a future with a mission to make our children self-sufficient, entrepreneurial, and adaptable to the changing social and intellectual landscape. Our goal is to ensure that our children are well equipped to navigate the challenges of the modern world. We intend that the skills that our children learn are deeply ingrained and can be practically applied throughout their lives. Our main focus is to teach children how to learn. We create an environment where they can discover and apply new skills to real-life situations. It is not just about hitting the books. It's about making the knowledge stick. We will continue to put solid efforts into helping our children build emotional connection with the subjects they study, because we realize that if they care about what they are learning, they get more engaged and remember things better. We intend to make learning an exciting journey for them that helps them grow into curious and capable individuals. Furthermore, we are committed to redefining productivity in our classrooms. We believe in a more nuanced approach that values creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to collaborate effectively. We have created significant platforms for our children to upskill themselves. The variety of school clubs encompassing theater, photography, language, music, and dance have played a pivotal role in shaping our students' development. Each club contributes uniquely to the growth of our students, preparing them to thrive in diverse fields and fostering a well-rounded, dynamic educational environment. Our vibrant and imaginative community is dedicated to intellectual exchange and the holistic development of our children. We put concerted efforts into increasing their employability by providing ample opportunities for co-curricular enrichment. I am delighted to share that our club enrollments have been on the rise, indicating a growing interest in extracurricular activities. Balancing academics and extracurricular tasks are going to make our children better equipped for the future. The emotionally and sentimentally driven efforts have borne results. And I today, with comfort and ease, can assert that we have achieved the pinnacle of success, which per se is the ability of the children to get what they want to achieve. I fondly remember the vision of our founder and his deep commitment and dedication to providing quality education. With the grace of the Almighty and our collective hard work, our school family has grown exponentially. We have grown multifold since the establishment, and our prime focus remains on being, becoming, and improving to benefit our students. In today's ever-changing world, adaptability and innovation are paramount. Therefore, we seek new ways to evolve and excel in all aspects of our lives. It is not just about academic achievement, but also about fostering creativity, compassion, and understanding. In our classrooms, productivity is about fostering a love for learning and encouraging students to explore and innovate. We have created a learning environment where students feel motivated to engage deeply with their studies and develop the skills necessary for lifelong success. Further, by redefining productivity in this way, we hope to cultivate not only high-achieving students, but also thoughtful, curious, and capable individuals ready to make meaningful contributions to society. Furthermore, we are deeply committed to enhancing the intellectual and recreational spaces within our school. One of our primary goals is to expand our library resources, ensuring our students have access to a wide range of books and digital media that will foster love for reading and support their academic growth. We also intend to publish a book featuring the work of our talented students and collaborating with authors and writers to offer unique experiences through workshops and interactive sessions. We strive to create an intellectually stimulating environment through a blend of traditional teaching and modern innovative practices. Every year, ample opportunities for enrichment are provided to encourage our students to achieve not only their highest potential, but exceed academic standards. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our students' outstanding achievements every year. This session has been no exception, as our children have excelled academically. Their enthusiasm and success are truly commendable and reflect the high standards we uphold. Our goal is to ignite a passion for learning that lasts a lifetime and prepare our students for whatever the future holds for them. Our STEAM program, starting from kindergarten, has been super successful. It is designed to boost creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. With interactive lessons, hands-on projects, and teamwork, the students are encouraged to explore their unique abilities. By blending arts with the traditional subjects, we give them a well-rounded education. I'm happy to share that we have recently invested in Latin percussions, a professional arranger keyboard, and a studio setup for voice recording and music production for the children. In addition to these resources, we are significantly upgrading our sports facilities. We have recently hired new professional coaches who bring a wealth of experience to our school. These experts have been instrumental in enhancing our students' skill and performance. To accommodate the growing interest in sports, we now offer evening coaching sessions with over 150 enthusiastic enrollments starting from upper KG, reflecting our commitment to making our sports program a juggernaut. We emphasize on a wide range of sports, regularly conducting house matches, annual athletics, and TMT, which is a pan-India basketball tournament, to encourage healthy competition and teamwork among our children. Our students have a wide variety of sports to choose from, and we are proud to report their success in state-level tournaments, where they have demonstrated their ability to compete at higher levels. To support these activities, we add new equipment every year, ensuring our facilities remain top-notch. The new lawn tennis court is slated for an inauguration in the month of July, and the indoor badminton court is in the pipeline. We recognize and realize the importance of robust support systems for our students. Our effort is to ensure that every student has access to the resources they need to thrive. Regular talks and sessions are conducted to build the much-needed emotional resilience and peer relationships. By prioritizing on the health of the mind, we aim to empower our students to face challenges with confidence and maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle, which is indeed a very essential skill to hone these days. Also, promoting sustainability is a fundamental aspect of our school's mission. We integrate environmental education and compassionate citizenship programs into our curriculum to cultivate a sense of responsibility and stewardship amongst our children. Our environmental programs foster empathy and a commitment to positive social impact. Everyone is made to function out of kindness and sensitivity. This tradition has brought us far and closer to our mission. And we have every reason to continue fostering this sentiment and keeping it at its highest pedestal. As we continue to grow and excel in academics, sports, and the arts, we look forward to seeing our students thrive and achieve their dreams. Our holistic approach aims not only at academic success, but also at nurturing well-rounded individuals who are ready to take on the challenges of the future with confidence and skill. The growth of our school community has been organic and inspiring. Together, let us continue to nurture the intellectual curiosity and potential of our children, guiding them towards a future filled with limitless possibilities. In the coming years, we aim to strengthen our collaboration with our parents, to further support our students' growth and development. Together, we must nourish them with the right thought, action, and intent. And I appreciate and deeply express my gratitude to the parents and guardians of my children, our indispensable collaborators, for supporting us in this. Your intention to keep your child's interest at the focal point and investment of time, especially in the last few days, has made this day possible. As a school, we encourage children to find their space or create it for themselves. I stand here deeply satisfied with the efforts of my teachers and the faith imposed in them by my students. The teachers and students are wound together by an emotional string and not just by the call of duty. I am deeply gratified to see our students stepping out of their comfort zones at this Founders' Celebration. For many of them, it is their first time trying something new, whether it's playing an instrument, acting on stage, or speaking in front of an audience. The courage they have shown is truly incredible. Personally, I've had the pleasure of sitting in on their rehearsals, and it's been a truly rewarding journey. This event, my dear parents, is their heart and soul poured into the performances. And if it makes your evening a little bit brighter, that's all they could ever wish for. I'm bursting with pride for them and for all that they have achieved. I'm certain that with this enthusiasm and love, we are bound to be successful wherever we go. We have got the tools, the skills, and the heart to achieve everything. It is just the start. Let us continue to dream big and keep believing in ourselves as we move forward. The future is bright. Love and light to all. Thank you.
And there's this tingling feeling in my toes. And believe me when I say this, it feels like I've woken up from a deep slumber, as if I have just come back to life. Right now, I feel like a gigantic wave. I feel so powerful, visible, conspicuous, and just bound to be noticed. Well, oh, how I love being here.
How can you possibly long to be the center of attention? To be the statue placed in the middle of a crossroad where everyone can see your cracks? If I were you, I would curl up like a dying worm.
Oh, come on, you can't be serious. The light is to enjoy. Don't live in the dark. The light makes us see the endless opportunities entangled within ourselves. And that's what attracts me towards light. Oh, I probably have the soul of a moth. I like bulbs, lamps, and tube lights. Everything that has light in it. But not the dim ones, just the ones brimming with light and light.
Can you stop with the philosophical nonsense already? Performing in front of all these people. Just the thought of it makes me nauseous. Well, it does nothing but magnify all my imperfections.
Well, but isn't every one of them imperfect? These imperfections are what make us human and just set us free. I mean, you just need to look at it from a different angle.
Well, what should the angle be? 40 degree, 15 or 90?
Oh no, you've got this all wrong. It's the angle of mind. It's the way you choose to look at things. And remember, there's always light, life, and hope at the end of the tunnel.
But I'm really sorry. I don't see any more hope left.
Well, when there's no hope left anymore, there's only one thing that remains.
And that is?
Well, I wouldn't spoil it for you. That's what the Fusioners are here for. So, let's hear it from the Fusioners.
Real
favorite ice cream flavor at a never-ending buffet. 1 minute, I'm all about music, strumming my guitar like I'm the next Taylor Swift. The next, I'm convinced I'll be a world-renowned scientist, discovering the cure for something or other. And then there's art. Oh, glorious art. The way those colors blend on the canvas. Until I remember, I can't even draw a decent stick figure. Let's break it down, shall we? Music. There's nothing quite like the feeling of hitting that perfect note. The crowd going wild. Who doesn't like the roar of claps? But then, the theory, all those notes and scales. It's really like trying to understand an alien language. Art, the freedom of expression, creativity, and the mess. Oh, the mess? Paint everywhere. But let's not forget the criticism. What is that supposed to be? They ask. It's abstract, people. Use your imagination. Science. The noble pursuit of knowledge. Wearing a lab coat, looking all smart and important. Until I realized the amount of math involved. Spoiler alert, I can't even count past 10 without using my fingers. And then, there's sports. I love the thrill of the game and the rush of adrenaline. But who am I kidding? I'm more likely to trip over my own feet than score a goal. The problem isn't that I don't know what I'm passionate about. Maybe I'm passionate about too many things. Is that even a problem? Why do we have to fit into just one neat little box? Can't I be multi-talented, jack of all trades, master of fun, okay, master of none? Honestly, can't a girl have multiple passions? Why is it always about choosing one dream? What if I want to be a rock star who paints in her leisure time and conducts experiments in her own home lab while scoring a goal in soccer? You know what? I'm done choosing. I'll pursue everything that interests me. And if anyone asks what my passion is, I'll just say living life to the fullest. Besides, who needs to pick just one flavor of ice cream when you can have a sundae with all the toppings? Life is too short for vanilla, to tell you. So now we have the fusioners who are living to the fullest and are here with a symphony of dreams.
सच हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can make the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I cross the street, I have a dream, I have a dream, आजा डायरी में छुपा दूं, आजा तुझको चोटी में बांध दूं, कहीं किसी को न दिख जाए. सपने रे, सपने रे, सपने मेरे, हाथ तेरा कस के पकड़ लूं, साथ साथ तेरे मैं चलूं. डर तुझे ना किसी से लग जाए. सपने रे, सपने रे, सपने मेरे. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. रातों को जग जग के मैंने रातों को जग जग के तारा तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया. तारा डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया. टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया. सपने रे, सपने रे, सपने मेरे, सच हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे. सपने रे, सपने रे, सपने मेरे, सच हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे, हो जाना रे. ला 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 सपने रे, सपने रे, सपने मेरे.
I am chaos. I am the darkness. I am the shadow that haunts your dreams and whispers in the recesses of your mind. Now you know me, but not truly. You do not comprehend the depths of my existence. It's complex, you know. I'm not merely a villain to be feared of or a demon to be resisted. So, what does Satan look like? Is it someone ungodly? Look at me. Am I ungodly? I am the mirror that reflects the innermost truths of your soul. You fear me, but you fear is your own insecurities, your own doubts and weaknesses. You fear me because you fear yourselves, because you fear the darkness that lurks within your own hearts. But know this, mortals, to scare you is not my desire nor my intention. Fear is a tool, a warning sign that alerts you from the dangers that lurks within and without. So, isn't fear godly? Doesn't it lead you to the path of ecstasy? I'm Satan. I'm only a messenger bringing truth to this world, shrouded in deception and illusion. So the truth is, you want to know? So the truth is that we're scared of the things that will connect us to the highest power. What is the need, you ask? Well, yes, it will help us to get through the dark path. Fear not the unknown, for in the dark depths of your soul lies a spark of divinity. Let your mind grasp and hold ecstasy. Let your mind live in ecstasy. Let yourself become ecstasy. Let the flames of divine love consume you utterly until there's nothing left and you are just connected with the Almighty. Let's soak ourselves in the connection and yet be free. And yet, let's dive into the surface. Let's dive into and come to the surface of awareness with the Soulian Fusioners.
तेरी मौज में जो है जुमा, वो जन्नत की गलियां घूमा। सब्र गई किस्मत की लकीर, जब तूने मेरा माथा चूमा। तेरा रुतबा शाही शाही, भूल के तकदीरें तेरे हाथ से आई। तेरा रुतबा शाही शाही, भूल के तकदीरें तेरे हाथ से आई। तेरा रुतबा शाही शाही, तू ही जर्रा तू ही इलाही। चांद और सूरज तारे कहते हैं यही सारे, बाकी सब मिट्टी सारे, तू ही सिकंदर। दमादम 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 मस्त कलंदर, अली का पहला नंबर। दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली का पहला नंबर। ओ लाल मेरी लाल मेरी, ओ क्या है गलत और क्या है सही, तेरी नजर से कुछ बचता नहीं। क्या है गलत और क्या है सही, तेरी नजर सब राजी बन बैठे तेरे नमाजी लहरों में डूबे तेरे तू है समंदर दमादम 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 मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर ओ लाल मेरी तेरी मौज में जो है जुमा वो जन्नत की गलियां घूमा अब गई किस्मत की लकीरें जब तूने मेरा माथा चूमा
Hi Rabba, what a world we live in. Two-faced people everywhere you turn. You know, we used to say, जिंदगी दी असली खूबसूरती साफ चेहरे ते साफ न्याय नाल हुंदी है. But now you can't even tell what's real and what's fake. Just look at Gurdial Singh. Such a smile on his face when he greets you. But behind your back, oh, the things he says. Chugliyan te pitt piche gallan. His favorite pastime. You offer him roti and he'll say it's the best he's ever had. But then, he'll start complaining about the salt to everyone else in the village. Don't get me started on my own relatives. My dear cousin Simran, to my face, she's full of compliments. Kinni soni lagdi hai di. But the same day, I heard her telling Rupa, usta suit kinna purana lagda si. Seriously? But the worst part isn't even the lies they tell about others. It's the lies they tell themselves. They think they're so clever and so cunning, but they forget that the truth always comes out. नहीं हुन तुसियो दसो मैनू सच कदे लुकिया रहिंदा है नहीं ना. Now tell me, if I sew this cloth with a black thread, wouldn't you notice it? You would. So what should we do about these two-faced people? Stay true to yourself. We don't need to become like them. नहीं, we don't need to have two faces. इनको चेहरा चाहिए, साफ ते सच्चा. Let's show them that there is another way, the way of honesty and integrity. So next time you see cousin Simran or Gurdial Singh or anybody else, give them your truest and brightest smiles. क्योंकि सच जितदा है. So let's see what the fusioners have to say about this.
ਇੱਥੇ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਚਾਚੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਹਨੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਤਾਰੇ ਦਿਨੇ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਰਾਤ ਦੀ ਗੋਦੀ ਲਸ਼ਕੇ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕਾਗਜ਼ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਬਣੇ ਉਹ ਸਭ ਕਾਲੇ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਸਦਕੇ ਨੇ ਚਾਨਣ ਦੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਲਾਟ ਉੱਠੀ ਜਦ ਵੀ ਕਾਲੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਤਪਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦ ਤਦ ਹੀ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਲਿਸ਼ਕੀ ਜਦ ਸਟਾਵਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਤਦ ਰਾਮ ਦੀ ਰਮਾਇਣ ਬਣੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਵਣ ਦੇ ਵਰਕੇ ਨੇ कि उस